Hey, hello, howdy. Good morning. Salute. Bonjour. Don here, German printing nerd. Well, I did get a couple of packages here from Amazon. Did a recording, and the camera cut off down here, and you couldn't see what I had in my hand. Oh, man. So let's do a new recording. Anyway, just to show you what I got. Here is the JST connectors. That's 2-pin, 3, 4, 5, and 6-pin connectors. And sockets are also included, just in case if you need to replace a socket. You also have the pins, the right ones for it. Yeah, I got this today. From whom this one came, I do not know, but I wish to say thank you so much. I wish to say thank you. This is one of the packages from the M2, M3, M4 screw washer nut assortments. And yes, a lot of these M3 and M4 screws and nuts are going to be needed. Maybe one or other M2, but the rest of the M2s are for my buddy, because he does modeling and needs M2 screws seemingly often, you know. But this one here, oh man, and there is a card inside for this right here, as you can see. And Chris, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, my friend. Those LM10UU bearings, that's what I'm going to need for the bed carriage, because there's going to be 10mm rods on the left and right hand side according to the build plan. I'm not sure exactly how, but yes, here is a note included, and enjoy your gift from Chris, and I'm not going to say more. But from whom the other package is, from whom this package is, I do not know. Because I did not buy this one. I bought this one myself. I knew that this one was coming from the JST connectors, but who bought me this package? Well, there is no note inside the package saying, hey, this is from me. It would be nice. But yeah, post it came today. Stopped me right in the middle of some work I was doing. As you can see right now, the colors are brighter than what you can see in the camera. Don't know why that's showing you such a dull dark color. They are brighter. But yes, this is dark color right now, with a little bit of green between some of the spots all around, you know, where grass or algae or whatever, you know, growing between the stones. Then I'm going to have to put on a second coat that's a little bit lighter in color, and maybe a third color too. Up on the top, I've already done 3 colors to that, but the camera is not able to pick it up so that you can see all the difference there. But, well, I'm going to let this dry now. And do the rest at a later point. There's no hurry for it. But anyway, I do wish to say thank you all who's helping me out with this Hypercube build. Somehow in the video, when everything is done and a compilation will be made from the videos, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that, but yeah, I'll make sure that every name is shown in the video from all those who have helped me. But anyway, God bless you all. Down in the description you can find links to my Amazon gift wish list and whatever. But until then, take care, have a nice day, and until the next time, bye.